Are you studying engineering and electrical engineering? Then, does this sound familiar? Exams, term papers, presentations, and you don't know where your head is. You're asking yourself, how can I obtain practical experience while studying? How can I find a good job later on? How can I understand and internalize the complex subject matter? These challenges can seem like monsters that stand in your way. The solution? ePlan Education. With our software, you can become an ECAD expert during your studies and increase your chances on the labor market. It is simple and free of charge. Immerse yourself in the world of electrical design. Develop essential skills in the leading software for electrotechnical planning and create circuit diagrams and digital twins of control cabinets at a professional level. Gain new perspectives and a better understanding of electrical engineering in machines and systems. Curious? Then secure access to the ePlan software now. You'll be well prepared, and you'll be able to improve your project and final thesis. Our certification options will also give you a head start in your job search. At ePlan.com, you have free access to interactive e-learnings for your self-study in 14 languages. In this way, ePlan Education supports your training as an engineering expert and gives you an advantage on the labor market. Ready to change the future? Then sign up now.